This is the SW11 smartwatch. It's a true health smartwatch that does all kinds of really detailed measurements of ECG, of blood oxygen, of Lorenz scatter diagrams, of your heart rate variability at night while you're sleeping. It can alarm you if you have sleep apnea happening, and of course you just saw a variety of watch faces. You have your step count information for the day, last night's sleep time available, a power off button, and then your overall app drawer that gives you access to some sporting activity. No GPS in this one, but you can do a hike or a run or a walk, whatever you'd like. ECG generated heart rate, when you touch the electrode on the side, it's actually using the electrical signal in your heart to figure out your current heart rate. Or you can do heart rate using the optical technology, and that's your BPM, beats per minute, straight from traditional smartwatch heart rate reading. You, in addition to that, have systolic, diastolic blood pressure reading capability. Again, we haven't verified any of these accurately. You do that for yourself and see how they match up with you. You got a stopwatch, a countdown timer, basic information, which should be whatever's pushed from your phone when you're tethered, and then blood oxygen using the red and infrared diode technology. And that's what's being used at night, too, to help generate all of the information about your heart health. You've also got Find Your Phone and basic settings for information. This is all of your different things that you want pushed from your phone that you can individually turn on or off, and brightness, auto lock, and a bunch of switches that you can turn on things like your pulse rate monitoring, your continuous heart blood pressure monitoring, or blood oxygen. All those are in here too. It's a watch format of what used to be in the band called the Spovan Blade, which has also now been upgraded to the H03. But this is the H11, and it's in watch format with true ECG measurement that'll give you an ECG chart on the app when you activate it connected to this watch. It's a really, really nice and elegantly designed, bright smartwatch. It's the SW11. Check it out.